Alright guys, I'm in Pet Simulator X, and you're probably thinking, Keith, why are you in Pet Simulator X? And I'm actually going to be redesigning the UI for Pet Simulator X. So, let's get into Photoshop and do some work. Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Slicedmelon video. My name is Kieran, also known as Sorenki, and in this video, as I said at the start, I am going to be redesigning Pet Simulator X's UI and hopefully improving it, and who knows, maybe Preston will hire me. Please do. Jokes aside, let's get started. So for my frame, I'm gonna pick a light bluish color just to give it more character than a plain white UI, and then I'm gonna go to my rectangle tool, make a new layer, and I'm gonna set my corner radius pretty high, so maybe 30. And I'm just going to make a frame design. I'm just going to center it. Just so you guys know, this is not a tutorial. This is an entertainment video. But if you would like, you can follow along with the steps in this video to hopefully make a UI like this for yourself. Okay, now I'm going to right click this layer and go to blending options. I'm going to make a nice gradient overlay. So let's see what I can do. Let's try this one. And for the bottom, let's make this pretty purplish. And then the top, be more blue. Actually, I'm not sure if I like that purple. It's just, okay, there we go. And now, I'm going to go and add a drop shadow. And I'm going to make this a purple sort of color. Nice. Also add an inner shadow to our frame. Let me make our drop shadow a little darker. Okay, and then let's go right click, rasterize layer style. Then I'm gonna add a stroke to this UI because it's gonna give us some definition. And then I'm just gonna hit Ctrl J, Ctrl T. I'm gonna add a backplate because the backplate is iconic. Let's be honest, Pet Simulator X would not be Pet Simulator X's UI would not be Pet Simulator X's UI without the backplate on it. Okay, the backplate is gonna be blue still, I think. Maybe like a bit more purple than it was. Okay. Right click, rasterize layer style. I'm going to try gradient overlay on here. And an inner shadow. Then let's just add a stroke to that. Actually no, I'm going to do it the other method. Is that too big? It might be. Yeah, okay. Okay guys, as you can see, I have now sorted out my stroke for the backplate and my frame has been merged. And now I'm gonna try and make a title for this UI. Okay guys, as you can see, some changes have been made. So our frame is now shiny and we got a title made. And while I was making the title, I also decided to make an X button just because, it's just an X button. I didn't feel the need to show that in a video. So now, let's set up our actual contents of our frame. So I'm going to get some text, and I'm just going to bring this down, center it in our frame, and I'm going to type out spawn world, and then just scale this text down a bit. I might want to make it even a bit smaller actually. And I think for this text, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my stroke down. And then I'm actually going to make the text purple. And then change the stroke color up a bit. Let's see how that looks. What about if I do this? Okay, I like that. Now let's continue. So let's just move our text up a bit. And then I'm just gonna make the boxes for our UI. And this is not gonna have a scroll bar. What I'm actually gonna make it like is so you just, you know, scroll with your finger or your Xbox controller or your mouse. So I'm gonna make this box purple, obviously, to match the rest of the UI. Then after that, I'm gonna rasterize it and add a gradient. And I'm also gonna add an inner shadow and a stroke with a size of 6. Next, let's just add some shines to this box. Okay, there we go. What do you guys think? Personally, I think this looks pretty cool. Now I'm just going to move my text up a little because I don't think it's in the right position. And I'm going to get some text. Just make it say, shop. Center it. Group this, name it box. Control J, Control T. And I'm just going to add the names to the rest of the boxes. Okay guys, as you can see, I have now finished my Pet Simulator X UI remake. And now, I'm going to ask for your help, because I want to get Preston to notice this UI, because I really want my UI to be in Pet Simulator X. And I'm hoping many of you guys do as well. So make sure, when you're on Twitter, whenever you have the time, just,
you know, maybe give Preston, you know, some hints to contact me for UI.
No, but jokes aside, I'm hoping this can get noticed, and I would really like it if you guys would subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, check out our social links in the description, and I will see you in the next video.